Welcome to this video training. Here I will show how to use Nano and Vi editor. Nano and Vi editor. Okay. So this is a Linux environment. Usually I use Red Hat and I will show how to do it. So let's say at first create a file. Touch in Linux, how to create a file, touch and file name. Alright, let's say touch and dog dot text. Okay, or yes, fine, dog is a file I created. Press enter, file is created. Now use the Nano editor, type Nano and this file. Okay, this file name and press enter. That's all. Now type here I am using Nano editor. That's all. How to save? At the bottom you see write out, Control O, press Control and O, then press enter. It is saved. Now Control X, exit. Okay, Nano, I entered in the file. How to save? Control O and press enter, saved. And to exit, bottom left side bottom is exit, Control X. This is how to use Nano. Now how to use Vi? Vi is a rich editor. G, same way, you have to type Vi and the file name. Okay, now here is little bit different. If you want to write something, you have to at first press I pressed I and bottom you see that it is showing insert. Now it is edit mode. Okay, here you can write here Vi is a rich editor. Okay, done. How to save this? You have to press to save. You have to press escape. Okay, escape button, then colon WQ and enter. Okay, this is, so at first you have to press escape and then colon and then WQ and enter. Escape, colon, WQ, done. How to view the file? You see, this is the content of the file. That's all. How to use Vi and Nano editor. Thank you very much.